चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, getting some big breaking updates on the top story we are tracking. NEET UG scam. Supreme Court refused to stay the NEET counselling. Viewers, issued a notice seeking a reply within the next 2 weeks. That is right. Next hearing will be on July 8th. Furthermore, we're getting more details coming in. I repeat, big update coming in. NTA has said that the re-examination for 1,563 students will be held on June 23rd, and post that counselling will be conducted. That is right. Big update coming in, Republic TV viewers. NTA, I repeat, NTA has said that re-examination. NTA has offered re-examination for 1,563 students. And they're saying that that will be held on June 23rd. Post that, counselling will be conducted. A lot of students had hit the streets. A lot of students, their parents had hit the streets, even in Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, where they had asked for cancellation of the results and re-examination. So this is a very big update coming in right now. NTA is saying that the re-examination for 1,563 students will be held on June 23rd. And remember that we saw that this entire scam has come out in the open after the NEET exam conducted by the NTA, National Testing Agency, was declared on June 4th. And with a huge number of students were scoring a percentile of 99.9971. And some even secured 718 or 719 out of 720. And these were shocking marks which had come out. How can so many students secure these kind of marks? I just want to go across to Riyanka. Riyanka, now after the huge protest on the street, Republic is also leading the campaign, asking for justice for the students. We see the NTA has said that re-examination will happen for 1,563 students. Riyanka, take us through the details.
That's right. In the Supreme Court now, the NTA has in fact said that the re-examination will take place, and they are going to scrap the grace marking of the students of 1563. 1,563 students will now be given a chance to reappear for the examinations if they wish to. They can also carry forward with their original marks without the grace marking if they want, but they can appear for, in fact, the re-examination that will take place on the 23rd of June, and the results can come as soon as the 30th of June. Remember, the Supreme Court has already said that the counselling will not stop, and on this front, the court also maintains that the counselling will continue, and which is why the marks will come as soon as the 30th of June. On this hand, we see how this particular scenario of grace marking has found its way with the NTA now making it very clear that the grace marking will be scrapped, and the students who have in fact scored the numbers of 718 or 719 out of 720, they will be given a chance to reappear for the examination. We saw how the students on the streets wanted re-NEET altogether, but for now there is a slight relief for the students who have gotten grace marks. Only those can apply reappear for the examination. For now, we have to see what happens next, because several other petitions are also on standby in front of the Supreme Court. We have to wait and see what happens. For now, the protest hasn't begun here at Jantar Mantar. The students are set to come in. The call of the protest is at 11 a.m. But for now, quite calm at this area. We will see if the students come in numbers to protest against the paper leak and the OMR issues on the other side.
Right. This is a very big update coming in right now. And Riyanka, as of course Supreme Court is hearing these petitions, and this is a story which has really, hit home when it comes to so many households in India. When students work so hard, they study so hard, only to find themselves in a position which means that there are some students which have been treated which have got marks beyond what they deserve. So the ones who have worked hard, they're extremely angry that there's some kind of a corruption in the system which has led to these kind of marks. If you could take our viewers through what has been happening in the national capital and in other parts of India, where students have hit the streets, they're asking for justice, and they're saying the system is definitely broken, that some students who don't deserve those marks are getting such a high percentile, while the ones who have worked so hard, they have worked for years and years for this exam, they find themselves lower in the ranking. All right, we'll go back to Riyanka in just a moment right now. But remember, viewers, that after the results came out, there was a huge number of students who scored a percentile of 99.9971%. I repeat, a huge number of students. And these aspirants have raised concerns that there were definitely something happening behind the scenes. There could be irregularities and paper leaks which led to this kind of result. Some students even scored 718 or 19 out of 720, which many say this kind of result is impossible to get. And now, on June 1st, a petition was filed in the Supreme Court asking for examination to be held again on the ground that the question paper had been leaked. And multiple petitions were being heard by the Supreme Court. The latest coming in right now is what we are telling you. Supreme Court has refused to stay NEET counselling, has issued a notice seeking a reply within 2 weeks. Next hearing is on July 8th. Furthermore, NTA has said that re-examination for 1,500 plus students will be held on June 23rd, and post that, counselling will be conducted. That is what we're learning of right now, viewers, where back-to-back details are coming in on Republic TV. At the same time, so many students have hit the streets. In fact, let's go back to Riyanka. Riyanka, I'm coming across to you, and that is what we were talking about, that students were angry. If you could take our viewers through, what has been happening on the streets of the national capital. You were at Jantar Mantar and other areas where there was a case that the case is that there are 67 toppers. 67 toppers have got 720 out of 720 marks. That means that 67 students have got all India rank of 1, which is absolutely something that students say is impossible to get. Take us through what the protesters and the students have been saying on the ground for the past few days.
Like you rightly mentioned there, Shivangi, the 67 students who have scored the exact number 720 on 720, this is a quite unlikely business in such a tough examination, such a competitive examination of the NEET. On the other hand, the students have been constantly alleging that all these 67 students belong to the similar centers, and which is why there has to be an examination, an inquiry that needs to be put forward to see how the conduct of the examination was taking place. And there were, of course, allegations of claims of paper leak as well. For now, the protest was called in at 11 a.m. For now, this area is empty, but we are expecting students to come in. And yesterday, when we spoke to these students who hit the streets, they said that they want re-NEET. They were raising hashtag re-NEET slogans, and they also wanted that there should be an inquiry formed under the supervision of the Supreme Court that will look into the conduct and the declaration of results. But for now, what we see, the NTA giving announcing a re-examination for 1563 students who got grace marks, looks like there could be some relief on this front. We'll go ahead and speak to the students here once they come in to protest. We'll try and understand what's there on their mind for now after what the Supreme Court has mentioned. But we'll have to wait and see how far does this case goes from here, because it's just about the grace marks there where we can see some relief. But what about the paper leak? What about the issues with the OMR sheets? That needs to be answered.